Hey Julian, I'm just finishing up the slides for a CAV talk. How long did it take for a tool to find that one data race in memcached again?
I don't know, a few seconds. Let's just run it again. Daniel, we can find the bug in 7 seconds.
Greetings! We would like to invite you to our talk about symbolic partial order reduction at the 32nd International Conference on Computer-Aided Verification. We present a technique for systematically testing multi-threaded industrial-sized programs and a tool that finds bugs in real-world software. For example, it finds a data race in memcached 1.5.20 within only 7 seconds. We hope to see you at CAV.
Now I just hope that the slides finish compiling before the talk.